All right, guys, I am here to show you a Cardinal. It's a 2025. I love the floor plan, and I think you will too. It is beautiful. It's a little bit different. There's no bunks in here. It is a coach, so if you're looking for something, whether you're living in it, whether you're vacationing in it, it's absolutely beautiful. This is a front living unit. So let's go from the outside in. You guys let me know, as usual, but let's go. All right, this is the Forest River Cardinal. It's a 2025. I love the new look of the Cardinal. The model is 35FL, front living. You've got two slides on this side. It is a tankless as well. You've got two slides on this side. You've got a nice awning in the back, and of course you do have your backup camera prep as well. Let's take a look inside. And I'm excited to show you this one because of this kitchen. It's stunning. So first of all, look at all the cabinetry, the backsplash, the amount of area that you have to just walk around. They also have this high top table with a beautiful window right behind it, next to it. Beautiful, love it. All right, so we've got our corner kitchen over here, again with all this storage area, nice big sink, tons of counter space. I mean, I love when I see so much storage or cabinetry in a unit. It's so helpful. And you can just feel comfy coming in, you know, just you have some place to put everything. You got your 3-burner, your oven, your microwave. Maybe you have some plants that you want to put up above. I just love having that option because I love plants. My husband loves plants. You got an extra, maybe it's a wine cooler, whatever you want to use it for. You've got an extra one right here. Maybe you want to put something else in that place. Maybe you want a dishwasher, but you have that option. It pulls right out. But you also have a nice residential fridge, nice and big, beautiful windows up above as well. Right up these stairs, we've got our front living with 2 couches on each side that do make into a bed, and your theater seating right here. They even added a privacy curtain right behind, which I actually like this idea. You don't have to use it, but you can. And so I do like it. You do also have your theater right across over here, which we got tons of storage. You got your fireplace down below, and you do have some extra storage right here. So maybe you got a lot of clothes. This is a great place to put it. Or even if you maybe got something that you would like to, maybe you got some guns, put them in there. But just a lot of space up here. Because of these dual opposing slides, you've got such a large area, a lot of seating, a lot of space, which I love. All right, down the hall, we've got our bathroom. Nice sized bathroom with that natural light coming in. Plenty of space here. You got storage underneath, right there. Nice big sink and counter. Plenty of room. And then we have our master bedroom. And I mean, look at the size of this as well. Now, one thing I really love, this is a big bed, but I love that they put the closet right in the back and took all the space from one side to the other. Just so much storage in this unit. You've got a beautiful dresser right over here. You can put your entertainment right up there. You've got another closet right over there with a washer and dryer hookup, and then more storage right above your bed and then 2 little side tables as well with outlets and all that fun stuff. So I love this. I love the fact that you can walk easily on both sides. What do you guys think of it? I would love to hear what you guys think. If you have any questions, of course, you can call, text, email, come see me, and my information is in the description below. So until next time, guys.